How to export Canva projects as PDF on PC. First of all, open Canva and make sure you are logged in. Open the project or design you want to export as a PDF. You can also create a new design by clicking the Create a Design button and finishing your project before exporting. Once your design is ready, click the Share button at the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Download. In the pop-up window, choose PDF Standard for a smaller file size suitable for online sharing or PDF Print for a high-quality version suitable for printing. If your design has multiple pages, you can select specific pages to export or leave it as all pages. Adjust additional settings if needed, such as flattening images or adding crop marks for professional printing. Once everything is set, click Download. The PDF file will begin downloading on your PC. Depending on the size of your project and your internet speed, it may take a few moments. Once downloaded, you can open the PDF file from your Downloads folder and use it for printing, sharing, or sending via email. Now you know how to export Canva projects as PDF. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.